Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today I have an unboxing for you. It's going to be a two-parter though. I got a really big ones coming in, and they all deserve their own time. So I'm going to do the lesser of the two because I am in the car and I'm not trying to, do anything nuts in the car. But my unboxing knife for the day is the Kershaw Launch 10. You guys know I love this little bastard. And without further ado, let us see what is in yonder box. Interesting. So, it's going to be kind of hard. I'm going to put the one back in the box because we put them both in the same box. This is, I don't know. What the hell is this? I don't remember the model number for the model. This, guys, is a Viper. Oh, that's cool. Let's see if it's the Lilly Viper. Is that the name of it? By Vox. So it's kind of a cool, like, you almost got a finger choil there, kind of. It's tiny. So to put that into perspective, this is it with my launch. This is not a large knife whatsoever. But there's a lot of intricate titanium things going on here that I appreciate. So you can kind of get a little bit of idea with the milling in the titanium. Like I said, it's a Viper knife. This is an M390 blade. I believe this is riding on bearings. Let's see here. I shouldn't do this in the car anymore, it sucks. And it's reversed because I'm pointing at me. Vox M390. So, and it's a flipper. Oh, this little guy is pretty freaking awesome. So ergonomically, I can't get my pinky on there that well, but because it's a fat handle at the bottom, I mean, it feels pretty good. And I'm actually really excited about this guy. This is a pretty sweet little guy. Let's see. To cut through stuff like that, that's pretty good. Just usually it gets hung up on the plastic, that's why I say that. Oh yeah. This thing's got some bite to it. Action-wise, for being a small little guy, pretty awesome. I was not doing the trade that I did for this, and I'm kind of glad I got this. This is pretty cool. Again, I think it's the Lilly Viper or the Viper Lilly or something like that. It's a Vox knives. I don't know, guys. One of you guys may be more familiar with it than I am. But it's a very cool little design. All titanium M390. Very, very high quality feeling. No back and forth. Let's see. No up and down. The blade is perfectly center, as you can see there. You can reverse flick it. You can thumb flick it just as easy. You cannot push button, but you can light switch. This thing's cool. I'm excited about this guy, and I'm excited to review this guy. I mean, I don't really like the big bellied knives, but maybe this will change my mind. Just like Tontos. I changed my mind on Tontos before, and I was like, hey, why not? But yeah, pretty excited. So this is the Lilly Viper, maybe. Vox design. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. So I'm excited to review this. I'm excited to carry this guy. Very high quality piece. So that is all I got for you guys today. I am not going to do the other unboxing because I want to do this one by itself. I know what it is. It's not going to be a surprise. But I also have some really, really big unboxings coming, guys. Really, really big unboxings coming. So what I want to tell you is if you're not an unboxing guy, you don't really like the unboxing videos. There's some people that don't. Sometimes they just get boring, right? Stay tuned for the ones that I got coming up. I promise I won't do plugs and be like, hey, stay tuned, and then I like unbox, no offense, like a CRKT, like $35 knife, That's exciting to some people, but the ones that don't like it, you're not going to get excited about that. These knives that I got coming in, you're going to get really, really excited about, or at least enjoy seeing them. They're not all common knives that you've seen, but they're knives that you know. Hint. My name is Tyler. This has been Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and thank you honestly so much for watching. Have a great freaking day, guys. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. It genuinely means a lot. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. If you didn't like it, give me some feedback in the comments below and hit the thumbs down button. In case you guys don't know, I do have a Patreon, which will be listed right here. In that Patreon, we're giving bi-monthly giveaways to just the Patreons based on the number of Patreons that we have in the Patreon. We will also be giving discounts on all the knives that I sell based on the number of patrons. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great day.